Okay guys, tara si Tami mo. Ito na yung nabili niya guys. So guys, while we're driving just now, there is two girls stopping in Tammy's side while we're stopping and talking to Tammy. Hey, JJ!
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning guys! So this is our morning. This is our morning routine guys. It's like a crazy morning all the time with the Habsy bag. Balik, daily vlog po tayo. Nagbabalik. So ako guys, magluto lang ako ng itlog. Maulan guys, ulan guys. Han, do you want egg, Han? So ayaw ni Tommy ng egg. So ako na lang yung mag-egg. Birthday ngayon ni Bianan. Mom's birthday today, right? So, I don't know. Tommy's planning to go to cemetery guys. So I guess mag-drive kami papunta doon. Pupuntahan namin si Bianan kasi kahit maulan guys, puntahan namin kasi kaarawan, 'di ba? Kahit wala na siya, puntahan pa rin namin doon sa cemetery para magdala ng bulaklak. So yun, magdala lang kami ng bulaklak doon para sa kanya. Okay. Maulan na panahon. Ang panahon na maulan. And yun, he's killing the lights for me.
You what?
I'm filming but he's killing the lights. Alis kami. Nakapula talaga yung lips ko guys. Pula yung lipstick ko. Kasi ginamit ko yung yung matagal ko nang hindi nagamit na lipstick. Sabi ko gamitin natin ka brand new pa niya. And then hindi ko siya magamit-gamit dahil you know, hindi tayo nagpupula. Saan naman ako pumupunta? Hindi naman ako pumupunta kahit saan-saan, di ba? What? Okay. So, samahan nyo kami ni Mister. And for sure, bibili yan ng bulaklak si Mister. For Bianan, let's see. See you later. Meron tayong dalang Nova. And meron tayong dalang Reese's peanut butter. Masarap yan ito. Paborito ni Mister. Diyan, ito din yung may, din tayo doon, potato chips na masarap siya guys. Yung nakuha ko na galing sa basurahan. Ang sarap niya. Sobrang niyang thin na hindi siya overwhelming yung, di ba, sobrang salty or ganun. Yun, masarap talaga siya. And then, meron ako palaging yung galing din sa basurahan. Meron tayong sanitizer all the time. So, always naman ako meron ditong sanitizer. Yun ito din, oh. Malapit nang maubos. So, yan. Ay, nako, itong asawa ko, guys. Ang tagal-tagal. Ang gatal-gatal talaga. Ang gatal-gatal. Parang babae yan pag kumilos. Alam niyo ba? Pag kumilos niyan, awa na. Mas malugi tayo, guys. Kasi ganyan yan siya. Sobrang tagal makagalaw. Ginoo ko. You ready, sir? Si Sir Tamimoy is ready. He's not ready, oy. Palaging always. I-open natin si Nova para mag-snack tayo guys kasi ay nako. Wala, uy, ang tagal ni Tammy. Andun pa siya sa sakyan niya talaga. Nagpalibot-libot. O, diba? Ganyan yan siya guys. Ang tagal-tagal magpakagalaw. So, andito ako sa sa sakyan. Doon si Tammy sa tindahan dyan. Nag-ano lang siya. Bumibili ng bulaklak para dalhin sa ina niya. Kasi kailangan magdala. So, yun siya. Anyway, guys. So, mag-edit lang ako dito. At saka, kumakain pa rin ako ng Nova. Ito yung lunch ko, guys. Sobrang pangit ng lunch ko. Of course, they do. Always make a mess. So, ito na siya, guys. Look, doon na nilagay yung Let's see. Tignan natin yung tank sa basement. Kasi, sabi pa, may tank na daw dito sa basement. So, let's see. There's no light here. Oh, the tank is smaller. Hold on, guys, ha. Wala, ko. Maliit yung tank. And also, you know, tank is not good in close to the laundry area. Because that laundry area is fire. You know that? Under there, every time this is a fire here. So, yun. So, this is what it looks like. Okay then. It's smaller than ours, son.
Yeah, it's a lot smaller.
And what is this over here? This is where the...
That's where the stove is.
And where's the stove?
Where?
Hello, that means you have to let go with that too. Right?
Something just like that.
I mean, how you can throw that out? The old stove. Pero this is really small, han, compared to what they took out. Oh my goodness. Okay. So this freezer is staying here. And we need to clean this up. Look. What the fuck is that? What is that hose, honey? Is that the hose that for the water, right? I think this table, we have to bring this table into our house. Anyway guys, so we're here. Tanggalin lang ni Tami yung chandelier na maliit. Kasi may yung mga maliliit na chandelier na may crystal, kinukuha nila. Kinukuha nila, and then yung isang maliit, andun kay kapatid ni Tami. Sa amin lang yung malaki. And then merong maliit dito, oh. Marumi din yan guys, pero pag linisin yan, maganda look. Maliit na lights fixture. So yan, crystal din yan guys. Kapag malinis yan, maganda din yan. So ang gagawin po is yung kapatid ni Taming isa. So ngayon, kukunin niya ni Tami and then bigay sa kanya. Hi guys, akala ko guys, kukunin na namin. Igo ng pala pumunta dito para iihi. Naloka na itong si Tamimoy. Akala ko magpunta dito para kunin yung light doon na pinakita ko sa inyo. Hindi pala. Ay, alis agad kami punta ng Costco. Kasi gusto, excited ito sa Costco. There's no excitement should be in Costco, Tamimoy, ha? We should be like this, oh. Okay?
Why am I doing that?
Because you rather spend a lot of money. We have to relax like this. Look at that. Doesn't listen to me, huh? He ignored me because he knows. He knows. He knows, he knows. Do you know? So, umihi na ako, pero sumakit yung dito ako sa kakain namin chicheria. Ang daming chicheria, guys. And then plus, he's buying more chicheria.
Whoa.
Chicheria.
Chips?
Yeah, chicheria. Okay, be careful turning over there because there is a lot of garbage.
Yeah. So much garbage. Watch this guy who doesn't even...
Punta tayo dito. Let's see if they have the iPhone. Ha?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, tignan natin. Oh, dito, oh. Look, it's right here.
But this is either T-Mobile, AT&T, Verizon.
Ah, okay.
There's iPhone right there.
Where?
So it's right there. Big letters.
Ah, this is the Pro. Ito siya, guys. Max Pro man yung Pro Max.
That's not Pro Max.
Ah, yeah, okay. Yun yung iPhone. How much is it? There's no price.
Pro Max.
Pro only.
Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile. Well, even though the T-Mobile.
One, Tami. Two talaga. I thought you said one.
I know, but it's 29 instead of 39.
Hey, tignan nyo to, oh. Shit, ang laki. Ang laki nito, grabe. Magkaano? $40. Ito siya, guys. Ang mahal. King crabs. Look how much. Yeah, but look at this. It's $409 for this shit.
Yeah, it's kind of crazy. Yeah.
It's crazy.
It's a good price. $10 a pound. This $70.
How much?
$10 a pound. They're really
Yes,
nice.
for this one bag.
That's retarded.
Oh my
Yeah, I wouldn't
god,
touch them.
$70.
Pound.
$28 a pound.
Holy cow. That's crazy. That's a good one.
Real good. You want one of those?
That's a
A little
good
big.
one. Tommy. Ang mahal. Ah. Oh, there you go. Ito yun siya. Ito yung pack. Look, Han. Tommy. I'd rather get this than the croissant.
So get two of those.
I got two of
You can get
this.
a croissant too.
No, I don't want croissant. So guys, ang mura nito sa Costco, guys. And well, how much is it? How much is it?
$5.99. I tell you.
Oh, I'm going to call Brenda because if she wants some. Let me see the meat. Ang daming karne. Oh my god, ang ganda dito, oh. Look at this one.
Their meat prices used to be way better.
Yeah,
I
but
can get better deals at the supermarket now.
nice lamb. Tignan nyo, guys.
$7.99.
Huh?
$7.99.
Oh no, you know what? Let's get the other one that I really like the most.
I know, but I like these.
Yeah, just that. That's right, guys. $20. Walang skin, ayaw ko. Which one? The sweet Italian? Okay guys, ngayon maghanap tayo ng pagkain ng aso. Ito siya, ito yung mga pagkain ng aso at pusa guys, turkey. Pagkain ng
Even that
tao.
one was now $4.29.
$4.29 per pound.
Yeah, one higher.
Oh my god, pang tao po ito, pero ibigay namin sa mga hayop. Yeah. Ito, ibigay ko to kay Brenda. Mura lang kasi. Let's see how much is this. Ito siya. And prosciutto.
Yeah, prosciutto.
How much is it? Why? This is expired already. Look at
Prosciutto is expensive.
for 2022. How much is the price?
Let's see, 6 ounces.
It's right here, oh. $8?
$11
Oh
for
my
half a pound.
God. $11 guys, ang
Not
mahal.
even a pound.
Gustong gusto namin ito. Bilhin natin dalawa. Kasi adik. Okay, good. So this one. Adik po kami. Hello, why that was bulky?
Because it's big, I guess. Huh?
No, it's not.
You turn sideways, so it's different.
So yun. This one here. Here. Huh? No, that's not mango. That's pears. Okay, mango. Find me that green is right here. Yeah, that one. Only one. Thank you.
Do I get the one?
Yeah. Mango guys. Look. Hanap tayo ng pagkain ng aso. Aso lang yung nubs. Hanapin natin. Oh, I need this one. Tommy.
You want?
Yeah, one. Okay guys. Ito na si Tommy mo. Ito na yung nabili niya guys. Ang daming mga pang-aso. Oh, nako talagang buhay na ito. So ngayon, naghanap naman daw siya ng sugar. Sugar is right here. Right here, you passed it. Sugar. I know you still have a lot in there. Nagmahal na guys, grabe. It went high yung presyo. Sobrang nakakalula. Nakakalula na yung presyo ng mga bilihin. Tatakbo na tayo paalis. Lalabas na kami. Guys. Ang laki ng gasto ni Mr. Tamimoy. Parang bata, oh. Ano nyo yan? Parang bata. So, ito lahat guys ang nabili. Tignan nyo yan. Oh my God, ang laki ng gasto namin. Let me see how much it cost. This is fresh market. That's nothing. Market. Okay, cost 587.99, and that's how it costs here. Just every time you go Costco, and sometimes it's.
Well, honestly, but look, okay. Box is probably right.
Be careful, guys.
$30 each, so $60, and that was a deal.
Careful. And what's up?
So the sausage was like 15. They got the 15 each for tuna, so it's $45.
Careful.
So it's $105.
Okay.
Right.
What's up? There's card.
The nubs 15 each. That's $60. That's $165.
You are not.
$165.
Okay.
$300 was the oil.
Stay in your lane. Ay.
The turkeys. Figure the turkeys. They were like $17 each. So figure another $80. So it's $380. So you're almost $400. And then the incidentals, batteries were $15. The other, so
Ang laki talaga. Every time we go in Costco, that's why. Actually, Tommy doesn't go crazy, but the only go crazy is the tomato sauce. Even though we have a lot of tomato thing in the house.
we don't. We have none upstairs anymore.
So now, guys, we're heading to.
We have some downstairs. We use like that tomato sauce I just made.
Yeah.
That was 4 cans gone like that.
So, guys, we're heading to cemetery now and then go home. Traffic over here, guys. Tignan nyo naman. So, patungo tayong Bronx. Bronx tayo kasi doon yung cemetery. So, traffic because it's almost 3 o'clock. This is what happened. Ganito naman talaga palagi dito, guys. Pag ganitong oras. Spectrum. AAA battery. Double A. Triple A. So guys. Ang pangit ng panahon talaga guys. As in, yung parang ano ba, maulan-ulan, ganun. Sa Bronx Parkway, right here guys. Bronx Parkway lang. In the Manhattan thing? Oh, cool. Look at this guy. That's what guys are going to do at the same time. Hi guys, andito kami cemetery guys. Aalis na kami. Nagutom si ako. Nagutom, grabe. So maghawayan na lang ako guys kasi gutom na gutom ako. Grabe talaga yung gutom ko. Yung parang yung tiyan ko ba naghanap ng yung parang maging masaya yung ano ko. Where are you gonna put it? Right here. Hi guys! I don't even vlog when that happened. So guys, while we're driving just now, there is two girls stopping in Tammy's side while we're stopping and talking to Tammy. Hey, Jaja! When I turn around and then this two woman, oy, nakipag-usap pa talaga kay Tammy, nagkagusto. Sabi ko pa, you get a wife! And yan! Oh, traffic ka ni. Kaloka, dalawang babae. Mga babaeng yun. Asa na yun? Kinausap talaga tong isa. And then yung isa, he likes it. He likes it, guys. Hey, you have a wife here, sitting down here. Oh my God, you're following them.
I'm getting off our exit.
Nangurog na ko, guys. Nangurog.
We're all doing the same thing.
Ay, that's not it. That's not it. It's Mercedes. This is Honda. Ako talaga, kinausap ito si mister ko. Sabi ko, pangalawang bisis talaga. Dito guys, sinusundan namin yung sasakyan. Sabi ko, kapag mag-stop yun sila, and then kausapin si Tammy, wag ka, kasi putulin ko yung patutoy mo dong. Sinusundan namin yung sasakyan guys. Let's see kung asan sila. Hindi man, kung saan kami patungo, doon din sila patungo. Nice car this one, oh. Mga bata pa guys. He likes it. He likes it. Namula na yung lubot ni Mister. Hey, you're married to a Filipina, which is really a fighter.
Filipino witches?
It is. I am a fighter, huh? I can fight. She really is cutting everyone. Parating na namin sa bahay. Naglagay ako ng coat agad kasi, sweater kasi maginaw ay. Pala. Anyway, so si Tammy yung naglagay ng mga nabili namin sa sa Costco kasi kailangang ilagay sa refrigerator yung iba. Meron tayong seafood na ni-defrost for lumpia. So ngayon, gagawa na naman ako ng lumpia. Hindi kami bumibili ng scallops doon guys. Kasi kita nyo naman, ang mahal ng bilihin. Grabe. Sabi ko talaga, grabe. Yung scallops guys, for 69 something. It's like $70 for that bag. It's ridiculous, diba? Sobrang mahal talaga. And then, yung shrimp, okay naman yung presyo niya. Nasa 40, diba? Pero malaki siya guys, at saka ang dami. Pero, you know, nagmahal siya. Originally, hindi siya ganun. Hi guys, ito yung main ingredients natin guys. Si Mr. is very busy putting all the things that we got from Costco. And he's taking care of my rice. And this is all the main ingredients. Scallops na sobrang mahal, expensive. And then, the shrimp. And then the jalapeno. Jalapeno, right?
Yeah.
That I cut it in small pieces. And ito siya onion, garlic, and of course also, ang pinaka-importante, kailangan mo ng ito siya togi. Okay? So guys, the thing is guys, ito siya guys, the thing.
The thing. That's the thing, guys.
It's a thing guys. I showed this in my vlog already, so I'm not gonna do step by step. And then yan, pinakita ko na ito sa vlog ko. And yan, so my husband, Han, can you put this in the refrigerator, Han? Huh?
There's plenty.
I love you. Oh, you're tired. Okay na, relax. Tammy suggested to put this inside sa lumpia. And this is jalapeno cheese. And it's really good spicy. Like, masarap siya na cheese at saka spicy. Look, it's 7:30. Kailangan na namin kumain. So, magpirito muna ako. This is how he is, guys. Every time he clean, guys, this is who is. This is your mess. Remember, I clean your mess.
You said I'm making cheese and eating cheese and no, clean your mess.
Oh, I don't see you eating cheese. I said your dinner is gonna have a sandwich. Han, my English is that bad?
Yes, you never said the word sandwich at all.
I did sandwich. Oh my God, your hearing need.
Are you live?
I'm not live.
Then play back.
I said Sam is gonna eat sandwich and then he's gonna eat.
Play back. Play back.
I don't even cook. I said cheese.
You did.
It's kind of spicy, but not crazy. And then it's cheesy. Is he tired? Masarap na siya, guys. Kaso napagod ako sa kakagawa. Finally, 8:30 na, guys. And katatapos ko lang napagod ako, guys. Pagdating ko agad dito, nagluto. Ganun. Masarap siya, guys. Dinagdagan ko siya ng cheese. And then, hindi nawala na. Natapos ko yung lumpia wrapper. Kailangan kong bumili bukas. Kasi meron pa tayong natirang kailangang irarap. Anyway, guys, iin ko na tong vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night, guys.